Hello, Oliver here from the company E-Trading Europe, and in this video I want to show you what we have in the warehouse. It is original Dyson replacement high torque cleaner head for your Dyson vacuum cleaner. As you might already know, we often have Dyson original accessories, spare parts and batteries in our warehouse for sale. If you need any of them, please contact me or one of my colleagues and we will be able to assist you and send you the price list. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.